Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on connecting your smart tablet to your clinic's Wi-Fi. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth setup process. Before we start, make sure your tablet is adequately charged. You can proceed with the following steps while the headset is still charging. Step 1. Begin by grabbing your tablet and press and hold the power button until turned on. Once turned on, you should see a gray screen displaying a Wi-Fi center and a DreamEye icon. Step 2. Click on the Wi-Fi center icon to your left. Step 3. Select your Wi-Fi network and proceed to enter the password, then click on Connect. Step 4. Once successfully connected to Wi-Fi, navigate back to the launching page by pressing the Home button at the bottom center of your tablet. Upon returning to the main page, your tablet is now ready for use. Don't forget to watch the accompanying headset tutorial video before you start using the equipment. Once both devices are connected to Wi-Fi, power on your headset and click on the DreamEye icon on your tablet. Choose your VR experience and enjoy.